By default, when you lock your Samsung phone, you'll see live information appear at the bottom center of the lock screen. The Now bar can display things like live sports scores, music playback, navigation updates, notifications, voice recordings, and much more. So if you want to customize the Now bar on your Samsung lock screen, let's get started. First, unlock your Samsung device and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD, Always on Display. Now tap on Now bar. Here you'll find several customization options for live notifications and real-time activities. You'll see a list of supported features including audio broadcast, clock, emergency sharing, Google Finance, Interpreter, Maps, Media Player, Samsung Notes, Sports from Google, Live Match Score, and Voice Recorder. Simply turn on the options you want to appear in the Now bar. Once enabled, lock your phone and check the bottom of the lock screen. You'll see the Now bar showing your selected live activities in real time. You can also tap on the Now bar to view more details directly from the lock screen. If you tap the screen while your phone is locked, you may also see these live updates on the Always On display. And when you unlock your phone, certain live activities can also appear in the status bar for quick access. One of the most useful features is Sports from Google, which lets you see live scores for your favorite teams. We already created live match score video. Please check out link in the description and I button. The Now bar is a really helpful feature that keeps important live updates right on your lock screen, always on display, and status bar without needing to constantly unlock your phone. And that's how you can customize the Now bar on Samsung One UI 8.5. Thanks for watching.